Hello happy souls, this is about Suzuki Max 100 or revamp, and these are all the chapters which I've categorized for you for this restoration project, and this is exclusively about Suzuki Max 100 or chapter 11 unboxing. In that we are in part 7 unboxing the clutch plate, and the brand name is Makino. I couldn't find the manufacturer detail location, and but the package is really good and mentioned as a clutch plate and uncompromising performance here and there. And at the other side, like it suits for Suzuki and the TVS AX100 or Max 100, Samurai, Shogun, and totally 5 numbers are there. And the manufacturer year is 2016, and I bought this in Chennai for 235 rupees in the year 2022. And when you open, it doesn't look like the outside one. It is the finishing quality was very poor when compared to the existing one. Totally there are 5 numbers, but you can see the thickness and other things are it looks like an used one. The finishing is not good, and let me show the comparison between the old clutch and the new one. And after installing also, I couldn't adjust the clutch lever because it is very much bad, and it is like 1/3 of the clutch, and this is the thing. You can see the sections and the thickness of that cuttings. Don't buy this brand, you can try on any other brand. Thank you.